Welcome back, guys. It's Brianna at Travel Dolce, and today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make a Park Pass reservation. So I'm on the Disney website and I'm signed into my Disney Experience account. And if I scroll down here, you'll see all the things you can do, and one of them is park reservations, and I'm going to select to make a park reservation. Now, if you have bought a vacation package and linked your reservation, your tickets are linked. So you want to select theme park tickets here. If you're an annual pass holder, obviously you would select that. So I'm going to pick all the people that are going. It's us four. And I'm going to select continue. Pick my date. We're going in December, and I'm going to pick the 8th, and we want to go to Epcot that day. So it's going to tell me review and confirm Epcot Wednesday, December 8th between park open and close. These are my the party that's going to be attending. I've read the terms and conditions, and I'm going to confirm that park reservation. Congratulations. That has been confirmed, and then it tells me everything that I need to know and do. And if I go back to my plans, I should see that Park Pass reservation reflected. I'm going to scroll down here to Wednesday, and you can see that Epcot Park Pass reservation that we just made. And that's how easy it is. Hope this was helpful for you guys. Thanks. Have a great day.